Space. When I think about this word, I think of many things, like planets, galaxies, and stars. Scientists say that the size of the universe is 93 billion light years from one side to the other, or at least this is all we know for now. This is just the observable universe, or the parts of the universe that we are able to see with modern technology. According to astronomers, the observable universe makes up just about 4% of the predicted size of the entire universe. This statistic reveals that the universe is a lot bigger than we think. I will be talking about space exploration, but specifically the possibility of life on other planets or even other galaxies. This subject interests me because the universe is so vast and there are so many questions surrounding it that have never been answered. Looking at space exploration, scientists have attempted to answer one of the biggest questions to humankind. Do aliens exist? Technology such as NASA's Curiosity rover found evidence of an ancient streambed in 2012, which suggests water was once flowing on Mars. Even stronger evidence to support this theory comes from findings by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, or MRO. Using an imaging spectrometer on this device, researchers studying Mars saw mysterious streaks on slopes and decided to investigate further. Hydrated salts were found on these slopes, which suggests that water played a role in forming these slopes. The presence of water on Mars proves that the planet may have been habitable for microorganisms, since water is such an essential resource for life. For life to form, there would also need to be an energy source as well. On Earth, most of this energy comes from sunlight, and the rest comes from chemical or geothermal energy. Scientists are currently using this knowledge to find a possible energy source on Mars, so that they will be able to determine if life was ever present there. More recently, there have been new discoveries regarding life in space. In 2019, a team at the University of Cambridge collected information on the mass, radius, and the atmosphere of exoplanet K2-18b to find evidence of water. Two teams detected that this exoplanet, which is twice the size of Earth, has water vapor in its atmosphere. An exoplanet is any planet that is outside of our solar system. NASA will be using the Kepler Space Telescope to keep making more observations for any possible signs of life. Looking to the future, more technology is to come as NASA plans to launch a wide-field infrared survey telescope, which will use reflected light on other planets to detect powerful indications for life, such as oxygen or water vapor. Designs have already been started for even larger imaging telescopes that are predicted to launch in the 2030s or 2040s. It's amazing that as our technology advances, we are able to answer our multitude of questions about space, one by one. Our current visibility limit into the universe is 46 billion light years, and for the years to come, our limit is predicted to reach 61 billion light years. There are many benefits to space exploration, such as gaining more knowledge into the beginnings of the universe, but with the government only allocating 0.5% of its federal budget towards this, not much is able to be done. To be able to progress in this field of exploration, the government should increase funding for NASA. As I mentioned before, there is so much of the unobservable universe that is yet to be discovered, but with new technology emerging in the field of astronomy, we will continue to make scientific breakthroughs and learn more about space, also known as the origin of life.